Hi, I'm Nan J. Barchowski, a handwriting specialist, and I'm here to help you improve your handwriting. So for your actual practice, you don't want to spend more than 10 to 15 minutes because you don't want to get bored with what you're doing. You want to really feel you're doing something positive with your handwriting. You want to be able to practice in the optimum position possible. I've got my feet placed on the railing of the chair. I'm sitting up fairly straight. Your body must be relaxed. What you are after is a nice flow so that you will have legible handwriting that is also rapid. This is what's generally considered to be the best way to hold a pencil. The thumb and third finger are there as just a support. The index finger is on top, and it's really the one that does the writing. The pencil is riding in the web between two knuckles. When you're getting tense, reach out and just shake your hand a little bit, come back, reposition, and keep going. Never have the paper straight in front of you. It's not so bad for a right-hander, but it really hurts left-handers. If the paper is straight up, the left-hander is going to hook his hand like this, hook his wrist. And eventually that's going to hurt. I'm right-handed, so therefore my paper is positioned over to the right so that I am pulling downstrokes being very important, to my midline. Use practice patterns like this one. Down and down and down and down, and down and down and down and down. Chant. Chanting is very helpful to the movement because you're saying down and you're controlling your movement by saying what you are doing. This little simple pattern, which you can do with your eyes closed, and I suggest you do it with your eyes closed, will control the size of your letters, the spacing, the slant, and it will keep all of your writing consistent. And consistency is key to legibility. Some people can adjust their handwriting very rapidly, and some people take a little longer to do it. I hope that this will help you to improve your handwriting and really enhance your life a bit. Thank you.
For thousands of how-to and advice videos on any topic, visit monkeysee.com.